Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 4. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome to your computer class. Dear student, open your book page number 40. Dear student, it is a book page number 40 and today's topic is web browser. Dear student, what is web browser? Do you know what is web browser? Web browser is an application software that enables us to access text, images, videos, music, games and other forms of data on the internet with a web browser. Web browser application software that enable us to access text, images, videos, music, games and other type of information on the internet. We can get airline schedules, chat with our friends and buy things online. With the help of internet, with the help of web browser, we can get airline schedule, we can chat with our friends and we can buy online things and we can send email to our friends. Okay, we can send or receive emails. There are two common web browsers used, which are they? Microsoft Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are two most commonly used web browser. It means कि Internet Explorer और web जो Mozilla Firefox है, ये जो दो वेब हैं, ये दोनों वेब commonly जो हैं वो यूज़ की जाती हैं. Internet Explorer auto installed because it is integrated. इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर क्या है? ये जो है ऑटो इंस्टॉल हो जाता है क्योंकि ये इंटीग्रेटर है. बट मोजिला फायरफॉक्स जो है उसको हमें डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है. फ्रेंड्स, यू नो देयर आर टू मैन मोस्ट कॉमनली वेब ब्राउजर्स, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर एंड मोजिला फायरफॉक्स. हियर इज इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. क्लिक ऑन इट. Web browser is open here. Internet Explorer open here. Now click on it and write here what do you want to search. For example, I want to search primary and secondary storage devices. Click on web search. Student, here is images of primary and secondary storage devices. Look, there are so many devices on your computer screen. Secondary storage device, computer primary and secondary storage device, RAM, ROM. Here is the pictures of storage devices. Okay. Mozilla Firefox. Here is, now here we write here hard drive. Student, you will see computer hard drive images, photos. Here is the computer hard drive, pics of computer hard drive. Okay. Now select any one picture and click on picture, loading this picture. Now click on left mouse button and here is save image as. Click on save image as. Click on save. Our picture is saved in the PC. Today your homework is practice on web browsers. Which web browsers? Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.